Good morning students. In my previous video I have explained you physical properties of metals and non-metals. So today we are going to continue that topic. We are going to see chemical properties of metals and non-metals. And in that we are going to see the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen and water. Physical properties alone are not sufficient to classify the substance as metals and non-metals. So, students, we have to take the help of chemical properties. First is reaction with oxygen. Reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. So here iron, if exposed to air and water, it forms rust. Rust is iron oxide. So students, now the reaction which is given when the iron get rusted will be, so here we have a reaction. In this reaction, iron when reacts with oxygen and water, it forms rust and it releases hydrogen gas. Magnesium ribbon burns in air and produces white flame, which is magnesium oxide. So here again we have a equation. Magnesium when reacts with oxygen, it produces magnesium oxide, because here when metal reacts with oxygen, the compound which is produced, that is known as metal oxide. So copper when exposed to moist air, it forms a green color coating and forms copper oxide. So students, now we are going to perform an activity to check the formation of metal oxide, whether it is acidic or basic. So we are going to do an activity in which we are going to check whether the oxide which is produced after reaction is acidic or basic. But before that, you have to remember that if in a solution, if the red litmus becomes blue, it is acidic. So here we have two solutions. In the first solution, there is red litmus paper which got turned in blue color. So that solution is basic. Whereas blue litmus turns red, that solution is acidic. So here from this we can understand that which solution is basic and which solution is acidic. Activity. Students, from this activity you will understand that metal oxides are basic in nature. So here what we have done, we have dissolved magnesium oxide in water, and after inserting red litmus paper, it turned blue. So it shows that it is basic in nature. So next is reaction of metals with oxygen. So again we are going to perform an activity to understand this reaction. So students, basically when we heat sulfur in the presence of air, it becomes sulfur dioxide when we will dissolve it in water. And when the sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water, it forms sulfurous acid. So we have a reaction over here. When sulfur get mixed with oxygen, it produces sulfur dioxide. And again that sulfur dioxide, when treated with water, it forms sulfurous acid. So students, it means that nonmetals on reaction with oxygen forms acidic oxide. Now we are going to learn reaction with water. So students, from this activity you will understand that metals react with water, causing release of energy in the form of heat. That means it releases heat and it produces the alkaline solution, that is basic solution. Non-metals, on the other hand, generally do not react with water. Non-metal phosphorus is highly reactive in air, so for that purpose it is kept in water. So students, I hope you all are clear with this reaction with water and oxygen. So we are going to continue our lecture we are going to continue this topic in the next lecture.